Hello everyone, it's OJ from OJ Online. Today I'll be checking out the Amazefit GTR LITE. It came after GTR, and let's just quickly run through some specifications. The watch comes with AMOLED display, Corning Gorilla Glass 3. This one has no GPS, unlike the Amazfit GTR. Also comes with water resistance and long-lasting battery life up to 24 days. 8 different sport modes on Bluetooth 5.0. So let's just get right into the package and see what's in the box. Unboxing knife here. So as you can see, it comes with this logo right on it, Amazfit. Let's get right into it. So here we have the Amazfit GTR LITE, quite beautiful looking watch. Let me quickly see if I can get this out. Yeah, so our smartwatch right there. It has this text written, move beautifully. Well, what else? Okay, inside we have a little bit of text here. I guess that's the user manual. Then it comes with a charger. Yeah, so here we have it, the USB charger for the watch. So it looks like a quality charger. So let's get to the main thing. Do I get this out? Yeah, so right there. So we have here the Amazfit GTR LITE. So there's this sticker right on the top, so I guess I'll just peel that out and see. Yeah, so this is the Amazfit GTR. It has the AMOLED display, as you can see there. Talking about design, it comes with this rubber strap. Yeah, so it's quite flexible, and but if you don't like it, you can always replace or buy another one to swap this one out. So the design, on the front, it has this round shape and it's supposed to be an AMOLED display, like I said earlier. And on the back, you see this the heart rate sensor and other couple of sensors there. And it has on the side here 2 buttons. Yeah, and they are clicky too. So and the frame is supposed to be aluminum, I guess. Yeah, it's an aluminum frame. So I'll take my time to install the app and see if I can get some. Yeah, okay, it came on now. As you can see, the Amazfit logo there. Guess I'll have to set up the app and connect my phone. Okay, there's a barcode to download the app too. So guys, I'm finally done with the setting up of the Amazfit GTR LITE. It was kind of tedious setting it up. Not really a simple setup. I had to download the app, get it to sync with the phone, update some things, add an account. So just keep that in mind when you are, if you ever get this watch and probably try to set it up that it's not so simple. But finally it's up now. So this is what the app looks like on the phone. It's a Zep app I got on the Android store. It records the calories from the word, the heart rate, your weight, then whatever goals you have for exercise and sleep data, and a couple other things. Then in the app, you get some settings. Okay, there's a place where I'm able to change the watch faces. Okay, currently it's the GTR LITE that is connected, as you can see here. So if I click here, there's a settings to select different watch faces, so you have that options. So looking at the watch now, currently I have this default watch face on. So I think that's all about the app. So let's get to the watch itself. So one thing I noticed about the watch is that it's sleek and light to hold. It's not really bulky, so when you wear it, it's going to be there like it's not there. So let me try and get it here. So so this is how it looks when it's currently measuring my, it detected that I just wait, so it's measuring my BPM, and let's see what it will get. 76, and you see it telling me I'm relaxed right now. So the other things that I will say about the watch is that you have a couple of sport modes, workout modes. There's the outdoor running mode, the walking mode, outdoor cycling, treadmill, indoor cycling, pool, swimming, then a couple others, freestyle, and the rest. So yeah, the watch has an always on display. Yeah, so as you can see now, it's currently on. I had to get that on in the settings, so even if it goes to sleep, it always goes back to that always on display, though it will tell on the battery as time goes on. You go to settings, as you can see here, always on display. So you click it and you set it. Now it's turned on. I think I should turn that off. Yeah, so then the navigation is just from the watch home face. You just swipe up there, then you have status, PAI, heart rate, the workout, activities, weather, music. It has music control in case you want to control your music, notification, alarm, event, more, then settings. So in the settings too, you also have the access to control the watch faces, but though you might have to sync some, to download some from the app on the phone, the ones I just showed you, but you have the option. It's there if you ever want to. Okay, let's change to that if you ever want to change it. And the display is quite bright. It's quite bright, and it's a very nice watch. It's a very nice watch. I'm quite impressed, and I didn't notice any lags or anything like that. It's just a seamless flow. Just a seamless flow. So there you have it, guys, my unboxing and initial impressions of the Amazefit GTR LITE. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Stay safe, guys, especially during this season. This is OJ Online, signing out for the last time this year. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.